Yeah.
Huh?
The beach vibes hit so hard you forget you weren't actually invited and that gravity is...
What the fuck?
You are just trying to mind your own business, but the cat thinks you are the main course on tonight's menu. This is exactly why I have trust issues. 1 second it is cuddle.
Yeah.
When you decide to take a leap of faith, but the coffee smells like a bad life decision halfway through. You start an argument but then realize mid-sentence that you were the one who forgot to buy the cat.
Huh?
You try to pick a fight with your gym rat friend who clearly hasn't skipped. Awkward moment when your tiny roommate glitches out and falls off the bed, but you are too fluffy and judgmental to offer any assistance. I thought we were cool, but I guess the feeling is mutual. You decide to take on the final boss of the backyard but realize your waterbending skills are currently at a level 0.
I owed him up.
You're trying to stay hydrated, but your friend thinks you're a Baptist and he's the... Gravity is just a theory until your curiosity outweighs your coordination. I went in for a sweet snuggle and immediately regretted my life choices. Turns out my human is made of 1 love and 99 pure biology. You decide to factory reset, but you forgot where the reset button is located. Gravity is a lie and this table has betrayed me. This is the exact... The vet says it will just be a quick pinch, but your entire... You realize the party is over, but you are not ready. You spend the whole day planning the perfect crime only...
What? What the fuck?
You forget that the chin scratches come with a subscription fee and your free trial just expired. Your parkour skills are world class, but your spatial... You spend 5 minutes calculated the physics of the jump only to realize you are not a liquid and the water is definitely cold. You Spend 5 minutes explaining why she shouldn't be on the counter and she just offers a paw as if that settles the debt. You're trying to stay mad at someone but you accidentally fall asleep mid-argument. You're trying to introduce your snack to your roommate but he's already on a diet. Would you like me to generate a few more options? You decide to start a diet at 6 o'clock p.m. but remember that snacks exist at 6:01 p.m. I have spent the last 10 minutes trying to figure out if this is a tiny dog or a very ambitious piece of lint. Either way. You forget to knock and accidentally walk in on your cat.
Huh?
You realize the couch is actually a portal. You're trying to mind your own business but the local neighborhood watch is taking their job way too seriously.
Huh?
The sound of a can opening is the only alarm clock that actually works. Gravity is merely a suggestion until it is time to make an omelet. You realize the 3 a.m. Zoom eyes were a massive mistake and now you have to face the existential dread of being a house cat. I was just trying to enjoy my snack, but I guess this is a group.
Huh?
You're trying to act tough, but the noodle is just too delicious to resist. You're trying to stay awake in the meeting, but your internal.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no.
Safety first because he knows he only has one brain cell and he needs to protect it at all costs. They start holding hands and forget who actually runs this house, so you have to remind them with a heavy paw and a judgmental stare. I requested a single serving of milk, not a foam party, but thanks for the effort. You're trying to be the main character, but the director has other plans.
Huh?
You forget that the stairs are a two-way street and the boss has the right of way. 90 fluff and 10 coordination, but you've still got a busy. I have spent the last 10 minutes calculating the exact trajectory of your jugular while you think I am just being a cute